Today I want to talk about the middle part of your about page. So in the past we've talked about the top of your about page where you put your stand up and stand out statement. So we've talked about that before. Today I want to talk about the middle part of your about page, which is where you talk about yourself and your brand story. So it can be really hard to know what to write here because you either write too much and waffle on, or you don't know how to start and you just can't kind of put your story into words. So I've developed 3 questions which will help you write this section of your about page. Now, the first question is, who do you help and how do you help them? So try and be really specific here. What you want someone to do is when they're reading this bit, say, yeah, that's me. This person can help me. So the first question is who you help and how you help them. The second question to answer to create this paragraph on your about page is how you have personally practiced what you preach, either in your life or business. So how your past experience has got you to where you are and how you use that experience in your own life or business to get the results your reader wants to get. So for example, if you're a nutritionist and you've had health problems and you've used nutrition to rectify these problems, then how has that happened? So talk about that in this section. And then the third question you want to answer is, how have you helped other people solve this problem before? So talk about maybe anecdotally past clients you've helped, or just show that reader that the problem they have, you have helped other people solve this problem before. If you haven't got many past experience with clients, you can talk about your qualifications here or how you've studied that'll help them solve the problem. So what you have studied that'll help them solve the problem. So those are 3 questions to answer, which will help formulate the paragraph for the middle part of your about page, which is the part about you, where you're building this like, know, and trust factor. So just to reiterate, the 3 questions are who you help and how you help them, how you personally practice what you preach in your life or business, and how you have helped other people solve this problem before.